Discover the secret of health in a cup. Meet powerful teas to boost your weight loss, revitalize digestion, purify detoxification, and achieve invigorating nights of sleep. Meet All-Day Slimming Tea. All-Day Slimming Tea is a powerful tea to support healthy weight loss, detoxification, digestion, and better sleep, instead of a typical supplement for weight loss, full of dangerous ingredients and chemicals. All-Day Slimming Tea is a delicious 100% natural tea, based on the traditional tea recipe that made the peninsula of Nicoya, Costa Rica, one of the healthiest places in the world, where people's life expectancy is almost 90 years. Morning tea helps digestion, reduces cravings, and keeps metabolism and energy levels high throughout the day, while interrupting fat production in your body. And if you want to know more about All-Day Slimming Tea, I will leave the link of the official website in the description of this video so you can take all your doubts. Green tea, rich in catechins and caffeine. Green tea stimulates metabolism and fat burning, promoting weight loss. Ginger tea, it has anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, aiding in the breakdown of food and reducing inflammation. Hibiscus tea, helps reduce fluid retention, has antioxidant effect and can contribute to weight loss. Yerba mate tea, contains caffeine and antioxidants that increase energy and metabolism, as well as improve digestion. Cinnamon tea, helps regulate blood sugar, decreasing insulin peaks and favoring weight loss. Cardamom tea, stimulates digestion and reduces gases, promoting better absorption of nutrients. Chamomile tea, it has relaxing properties that can improve sleep quality and reduce stress, which can aid in weight control. Mint tea, helps relieve digestive discomfort such as bloating and gas, improving digestion. Dandelion tea, it has diuretic action and assists the liver in eliminating toxins, supporting detoxification. Turmeric tea, it has anti-inflammatory properties and can contribute to weight control, reducing inflammation in the body. Fennel tea, helps relieve stomach cramps and discomfort, promoting more efficient digestion. Bitter orange tea, it can increase energy expenditure and fat burning, aiding in weight loss. Chia tea, chia seeds can be added to tea to provide fiber that promotes satiety and regulates intestinal transit. Artichoke tea, stimulates the production of bile, favoring the digestion of fats and aiding in the detoxification of the liver. Rosemary tea, it has digestive and antioxidant properties that can support liver function and weight loss. Artichoke tea, stimulates the production of bile, favoring the digestion of fats and aiding in the detoxification of the liver. Nettle tea, rich in nutrients, nettle can help eliminate toxins and promote body balance. Psyllium bark tea, source of soluble fibers, helps in the regularization of intestinal transit and the feeling of satiety. Valerian tea, it has mild sedative effect, can improve sleep quality and contribute indirectly to weight loss. Rooibos tea, rich in antioxidants, can help digestion and reduce stress, favoring sleep. Basil tea, contributes to healthy digestion and has relaxing properties that can improve sleep. Lavender tea, with calming effect, lavender can be useful to promote relaxation and a peaceful night's sleep. Passiflora tea, also known as passion fruit, Passiflora can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep. Jasmine tea, its mild aroma can have relaxing effects, helping to relieve stress and improve sleep. Lemon tree tea, with soothing properties, lemon balm can be consumed before bed to promote a more restful sleep. Lemon balm tea, similar to lemon balm, it has relaxing properties that can improve sleep quality. Starry aniseed tea, assists digestion and relieves gastrointestinal discomforts, favoring a quiet night. White tea, it has antioxidants that can help burn fat and contribute to a healthier sleep. Calendula tea, it can calm the digestive system and promote detoxification, favoring overall health. St. John's wort tea, known for its antidepressant properties, it can indirectly aid in improving sleep and maintaining a healthy weight. Remembering that to get the benefits of these teas, it is important to consume them as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, in addition to consulting a health professional, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications.